been absolutely fantastic to see the transformation of the plant, to unveil the new Leaf so that the team can see what we are bringing to the market. It's a great product. It allows us here within the plant to demonstrate our capability.
Moving to fully EV has been a challenge, but one we've committed to do. There's a huge amount of collaboration needed across loads of departments across Nissan, including globally. So I spent a lot of time in Japan, specifically building relationships. All of the departments have their counterparts, they've built good relationships with those, and we can understand what's going on with the car in Japan, how we can apply that to the best launch possible.
We had to do a lot of work in body shop and in paint shop. We've had to install a new process for marrying the battery to the body, and that's taken a lot of investment and a lot of time. For NMUK, it's a new thing, and we'll be the first plant globally in Nissan that does this.
We've got that core understanding of how to build EVs. It's a huge transformation that we're making in terms of the technologies that we've brought into line, ready to build the next generation of Leaf.
So this new Leaf is based on the CMF EV platform. CMF EV means Common Modular Family for EV, so this can be used to build a number of potentially different products on this same common platform, and it's a really key component in the competitiveness of Nissan and how it can build a variety of different EVs. This platform applies in body and paint and in trim, and it allows us this flexibility into the future in all those areas.
The team here are totally adaptable, always able to rise to a new challenge. Huge pride in terms of what they can achieve. We've increased our level of renewables that we have here on site, both in terms of the wind turbines and the quantity of solar panels that we have. So 20% of our load here is now generated on site. And of course, you can't miss the huge new gigafactory that we've got just right across the road.
The fact that we have our battery supplier, our gigafactory right next door, for me, that's a really important part of the EV360 ecosystem that we set out to create. And it's also a sign of how powerful the northeast of England can be in terms of its automotive manufacturing capability, not only in NMUK, but in the supply chain.
To be able to build this, it shows our ability to work globally. You can see the passion within the teams that are responsible for launching this model.
It's really exciting to see this new model, to see all the new panels moving through press shop and everyone pulling together.
To see New Leaf finally roll off the line on the hard work, passion and collaboration the teams across the plant have put into the project is truly inspiring.
It's been a long journey to get here to this point, but this car is the future of the plant, and it does fill us with a sense of excitement.
That 35 years of manufacturing and engineering know-how, we can put that into the product and give our customer the real quality, exciting car that they deserve and look for.